Let's get our camera information. Negative 18, 15, 18. Okay, we don't need the OSL camera. Why is this so infinitely small? Oop. 10 millimeters. All right. Negative 18, negative 18. What? My fuzzy. Negative 18, 15, 18. 18. Millimeters. Oh, fucking locked. I'm an idiot. Negative 18. Negative 18. And what, 15 millimeters? Why doesn't that seem right? Settings. Oh, 1920. Fuck off. 1080. It feels wrong. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter as long as it's on. 52 and 45? Really? I guess that's my angle. Yeah. We're gonna do some video integration. And yeah, this is Cinema 4D now. We're gonna do video integration from renders and components directly into Touch Designer, which is gonna be pretty cool. I think. Not always Cinema 4D. The fuck is with my lighter? This camera and this light, weird. That's a fucked up exponent on my light. Hope that's not in the component. Look at this really quick. You set up, browse. You resave this. No, I'm gonna integrate Cinema 4D into TD now. We're gonna try a number of different things, like importing alembic geometry, bunch of weird shit, things that we can do in Cinema 4D that you can't necessarily do in TD, but you can import in back forth, like point data, all that shit. Ah, fuck! I knew there was a problem. Okay. Save component and 3D setup. Save. Yeah. Yeah. I just wish there was a units in here. You know, like there's no unit setup in this. Like I'm working in millimeters. Yeah, there's like no, a unit's a unit in here. So like 1 is 1, you know, but it could be 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 feet, 1 fucking whatever. File in cube.tog on the import. I guess I'll throw that in there. We don't have to worry about it. TD 099. Wait. Wait. And I've got a new version of Octane with OSL, so that's gonna be. Anyway. Schneggles? Should we call it Schneggletistic? Is that better? Your firstborn. Actually, funny story about my firstborn child. It's actually not happening as of yesterday, so. Schneggelender? Schmeckles. Wait, like, you tell me the word. Just, you handle that. Okay, buddy? Don't worry about that. My schmeckles. Dude, you fucking asshole. You're an asshole. You threw me off. McSnuggets. Well, I'm not sorry. Well, okay. You can not be sorry, but you're still an idiot. They're not mutually exclusive. So, have fun with that. I'm gonna go and work. If you don't mind. If I can get back to what I was doing before you came in here and said words. What is it? What cube.tog. That's what I need. There it is. Copy. And then I have to go to import on the new project. Like components? Oh man. Yeah, I did. Okay. Import. Paste. Hey. So there we go. How does that in any way make me an idiot? Dude, in any? In many ways. Just shut up. Just shut up, dude. Just go away. Go watch Ninja, dude. Like, you're in the wrong neighborhood. Leave. Watch Fortnite streams. What is this? Did school, am I in, like, is there a time zone in somewhere that, like, it's not school hours or something? What happened? Hey, Paqueta. Hey, Paqueta, I'm playing, I got a really cool idea. I'm gonna start integrating, fun geo things from Cinema 4D, like, you know, more complex models and geometry that we can play with, other than, you know, cubes and toruses. I mean, cubes and toruses are fun, but it would be nice to build some, like, kind of more complex rigs that we can fuck with. So I'm working on that. I'm glad I'm bothering you. Guess what? You're not bothering me anymore. It's just that easy. No, you're not bothering me. I can't believe I did this in millimeters. I should have did this in fucking meters or something. I should have done it 1-to-1. Well, 1-to-1 would have been weird because the cube height isn't exactly 10 meters or 10 feet. It's actually like 16 point something, and all that math would have sucked. So I guess 1 millimeter it is. But I can do an OSL camera in here, believe it or not. I have to copy the. Yeah, this is where I got confused. Hang on. All right, this is where you lost me. Let me go here. Go to light. Make sure that's zeroed out. Okay, so this is the weird thing. Our X, Y, Z, negative 18, 15, 18, right? So if I do negative 18, 15, and 18, right? And I look through this camera, look how off it is. Like, why is that? You know, it should be closer to this. You know, so negative 18 and 18. Maybe it's just the rotate transform order. Whatever. Negative 18, negative 18, and then 15. Which will look a little more normal. Right, there we go. It's just weird. See, like the Z-axis, or the Z-axis here is like negative 18, but according to this, it's positive. Doesn't make any sense. But as long as it fucking works, I don't really give a shit. I need my FOV. Huh? Kelly? Who's she not upstairs? Maybe she's getting changed or something. I don't know. Yeah, that's weird. Guess it doesn't really matter. Because it's just a camera, right? Because I'm not exporting camera, I'm exporting geometry. So 45 and 32, are those right? Yeah, these should be 45, 32. Yeah. HPB. Heading, pitch. Am I still friends with Kenny Hotz? Of course. It's probably my focal length. I'll bet you it has something to do with that. Yeah, it's my focal length. Go figure. What is my focal length in here? View focal length 45.4 and 50. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. 45.4 50. Well, you. Jesus Christ. All right. But why are they exclusive? Whatever. I mean, I can just get it till it's close. What? 45.4 and 50. Divided by 2 and 25. Huh? Makes no sense. Focal length. An aperture. There's no aperture on here. I don't think it matters as long as the angle's right. So let's copy this tag, right? Let's lock this shit. Duplicate this. Right? So we'll just call this OSL2. That's weird. You can import the cam for C4D into TD. Yeah, I did that. I want to go the other way. I don't want to go from here to there. I don't want to touch the camera in TD. The camera in TD is perfect. I want the camera from TD to here. But as a matter of, but you know what? I think it's because I'm rendering to OSL. It doesn't really matter. This is more just for working. Because I could take this OSL here, right? So if we go, let me delete this shit because I've written an OSL shader for this camera to do basically what our camera does, except it does it with one camera, not three. So if I did my render like 768 by 768, blah blah blah. There we go. That's more like it. And then rendered from the OSL camera with Octane. OSL 2. Oh, see. So that should work. Because this is for yeah, it's more solid building it right the first time. I know. But I mean, who would have thought? So there's two ways we can export content. One is just like an alpha channel, which is going to be like a SOP map that goes on top of everything. Just like a video overlay kind of thing. So we play it back like a video clip with alpha that has like weird intricate motion blur and all that shit that you can't really do. And then the other layer to this will be exporting the geometry that's happening, that's creating the motion blur. So we can probably do like some kind of 50-50 thing. So we can have like, you know, some simple fun geometry working inside and then comp a layer on top that's actually a render of it. So that would be really neat. What's not neat is, oh, it's the shader. Oh, okay. Let me make a... Shut up, cat. Oh my god, this cat. Let's just try a render, right? So if I said, I don't know, 3 by 3 by 3, right? So, like, there's our cube. See how much easier it is to do in Cinema 40? Yeah. Yeah, let's say, like, 3 by 3 by 3 on this. Let me save this as something before I forget. TD 2019 TD09 dead mouse components Q3 setup. Man, was new folder C4D template OSL SQ. Let's call this TD OSL. Okay, cool. So what I could do is just let me do like a cloner or something like that so we can put in some bullshit. And then create, I don't know, let's just do spheres, I guess. Easy enough. Of course, radius, far too fucking big. We're gonna go 1 millimeter or something like that. Right. So cloner, blah, blah, blah. We'll stick the sphere in there. We'll use it by object. Oh, pick that as our cloner object. Distribution, polygon center, why not? And then up vector. Hello? Can it be a uniform up vector? Oh, align clone. There you go. So just as a test, right? So now if I render this out with my OSL shader, I see nothing. Cute. Why not? Oh, because the material. Create. C4D octane. Random material. Whatever. Who cares? Sure, blue works for me. Stick that there and stick that there. Reset the render. Why isn't this working? Oh, channel, direct lighting. Hang on. Something's weird. Kernels, GI none, direct lighting. Let's do path tracing. Keep environment, alpha channel, okay, whatever. All light. Okay, so I need object, fuck, I don't know. Octane area light. Okay. I'm gonna stick this under our camera actually. Oh, zeroed out. Right. So we have a light at our camera source. Yeah. Okay. A little bright. Octane, light tag, power. Okay, there we go. Okay, great. So why does my OSL camera work? Good fucking question. This camera works. What if I just copy the OSL tag? Wait, something wrong with my script. Camera. Cube position, else Tmax object scale, object size, object size. Camera. I guess this. Oh, this is commented out. We can need that. Compile. Interesting. Oh, there it is. So actually, let me move this camera around. Let's see. Am I moving the right one? Yeah. Okay, it's working, but why is it? No, where the fuck is my camera now? Why is it way the fuck up there? It's kind of strange. Get rid of this. Where's my other camera? Where is it? You would think -18. Uh, 15. -18. What is this thing doing? Heading should be 0.